Super weather.
Welcome back to Midwest Access. I'm meteorologist Sarah Gannon. We have been seeing some pockets of sunshine here throughout today, especially this afternoon, seeing a few more clouds rolling back into the region. But overall, a beautiful Wednesday here for us in southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. Live look outside from your Louis Donato live camera. You can see that sunshine and those clouds kind of building in here in the background. Temperatures still below average here today, sitting into those 50s. So overall, pretty decent. Some dry air in place with those dew points sitting into the 20s. And a bit of a breeze. You maybe noticed that if you stepped outside at all today. Those wind speeds right now sitting anywhere from around 10 to 15 miles per hour. So as we look at a little bit of that cloud cover filtering in and out, you can also see radar picking up at that chance at a few showers. We have the possibility here of a few spotty showers possible, but with that drier air closer to the surface, any rain that does fall will likely evaporate before it makes it to the ground. So better chance maybe at a couple sprinkles versus a couple of showers here for tonight, but still can't quite rule that out. Keep the umbrella close by, but I really don't think we'll be using it much at all here today. Heading into the rest of this week, the next big thing, keep an eye on the sprinkles here for the area. Frost, though, becoming the next thing that we're keeping an eye on, especially heading into tomorrow morning, Friday morning, and Saturday morning. Next 3 mornings here, we'll be looking at the chance of some patchy frost, mainly Thursday and Friday mornings. I think the best chance for any frost in the region, a more widespread frost, I should say, would be for Saturday morning. Looking ahead to the weekend, then, we track temperatures warming slightly back to the 60s, so a little bit closer to average here for the area. Looking at those current alerts, as I mentioned, we do have a frost advisory in place for Goodhue and Wabasha counties. This will be in place throughout tomorrow morning, set to expire at 8 a.m. But greater chance of frost mainly north of the area, so some patchy frost can't quite be ruled out across the area tomorrow morning. But as we look forward to especially Friday and Saturday morning, greater chance to maybe see some widespread frost, especially come Saturday morning with those temperatures closer to that freezing mark, if not just below by a degree or two. So it will be close. Some patchy frost may be possible here tomorrow morning and Friday morning. Saturday morning, best chance at some widespread frost in the area. From there, we'll watch temperatures stay seasonally cool here through the end of the work week, rebounding back to 60s here by Saturday. Warmest day of the week comes Sunday, and temperatures kind of leveling out back to those upper 50s, low 60s here by early next week. But looking at more of that long-range forecast here, Climate Prediction Center anticipating to see temperatures roughly about 60% chance of being below average here as we enter into those first few days of May, even extending into about mid-May through about May 13th. We still could be looking at about a 50 to 60% chance of seeing some below average temperatures in the region. So as temperatures continue, that average trends warmer here as we move closer to those summer months. We may be just slightly behind by a handful of degrees. Looking forward to tomorrow, temps will be below average, roughly by about 10 degrees or so. We'll see temps tomorrow in those lower to mid 50s. Looking at that long range forecast here 10 days out, we'll be looking at temps back in the 60s here this weekend and more 60s and 50s on the way throughout next week, and a rather dry stretch, so a lot of sunshine opportunities in place. Let's look at your first alert weather.
Don't forget your umbrella.